When we started Homestretch in 2010, we built our model around the idea that everything begins with product quality. A key component in executing great product is hiring great people. The Homestretch team is made up of skilled individuals who have spent their entire careers in the furniture industry. We are focused on doing it right. Every piece of product that we bring forward is created by our exclusive designer, and then it's built and tested by our product development team. Once our designs are finalized, then we digitize them into the computer, we send them up to our mill, and we cut all the parts out on our CNC routers. The next step in the manufacturing process is for us to fill our covers with top-of-the-line virgin conjugate fiber and high-density seat foam. Then we assemble our frames using mortise and tenon joints, glue, and staples, and then we begin the upholstering process. Once we complete the upholstery manufacturing process, 100% of every piece that we produce is carefully inspected. All finished product is examined for quality assurance before being sent to packaging, where each piece is carefully sealed for delivery. At any given time in our warehouses, we're stocking up to 10,000 pieces of finished goods. And the advantage that gives us at Homestretch is that when we receive an order, we're ready to ship it immediately. Many of our competitors take from 3 to 6 weeks just to get the product shipped out of their plant, and sometimes those delays are even longer if you're buying product from overseas. Every year since we started Homestretch, we've had the opportunity to volunteer our time to build a Habitat for Humanity home for a deserving family in our area. You can feel good in knowing that a portion of your purchase price goes towards supporting this great cause. I'm Skipper Holloman, President of Homestretch Furniture in Nettleton, Mississippi, and thank you for your interest in our company.